So today's question is also on exergy. So given here a piston cylinder device at pressure, constant pressure 150 kilopascal and saturated liquid, initial stage saturated liquid, and using wires, WE is the work input to the cylinder. Now initial condition 150 kilopascal and saturated liquid state. Initial volume is 0.002 meter cube. Pressure is constant, and during the whole electrical work also remains constant. So the electrical work WE given is 2200 kilojoule. Now ambient temperature is 298 Kelvin and ambient pressure is 100 kilopascal. Find minimum work with which this process can be achieved. Okay, and second is exergy destroyed. So minimum work means we have to assume the exergy destroyed to be 0, then we can find the minimum work. So let's just do it. So from steam table, at a given condition, that is 150 kilopascal and saturated liquid, from steam we can see specific internal energy would be this, specific volume would be this, specific entropy would be this, and specific enthalpy would be this at initial stage. Now from energy balance, doing energy balance, this is work input. Okay, work input, which is electrical work input WE, and must be equal to the work going out and the change in the internal energy from first law of thermodynamics. It can be simply seen that, see, this is work input and there would be some boundary work. Okay, WV, which is change in volume due to pressure inside it. So this is boundary work, and ultimately change in internal energy U2 minus U1. So boundary work would be given as P1, specific volume change V2 minus V1 into mass. So P1 is constant, P1 is equal to P2 equal to 150 kilopascal. So they are constant, and so WE, putting this value in this equation, W is equal to this plus change in internal energy would be mass into change in specific internal energy. So mass, M is the mass of H2. Okay, so here is given. So since P1 is equal to P2, and if we open this and this, it would come out to be as P1 is equal to P2. So P2 V2 plus U2, and P2 V2 plus U2 would be enthalpy, specific enthalpy. And P1 V1 plus U1 would be specific enthalpy at initial state. So this work input can be written as mass into change in specific enthalpy. Now how to calculate mass? So mass of the liquid would be total volume divided by specific volume at initial state. So total volume 0.02 0.001053 would be specific volume. So doing this, we get 1.899 kg. So this much mass of liquid is present in the cylinder, the piston cylinder device. So putting all these values, we know H1, M1, M we know, W we know, we can get the H2 value, enthalpy at final state. So enthalpy at final state comes out to be 1625143 kilojoule per kg. Now if we see, and the pressure is constant, P2 is still 150 kilopascal. So if we just see this steam table at pressure 150 kilopascal, specific enthalpy at saturated liquid is 467.13 and specific enthalpy at saturated vapor is 2693.1. So final state must lie in the dual phase region, right, at 150 kilopascal. So let's use this equation to calculate the dryness fraction at final state. So H2 is equal to HF plus X2 Hg minus HF. HF and Hg are specific enthalpy as saturated liquid and vapor at 150 kilopascal. So putting all these values, this we know from the table, this and this can be seen, and putting all the values, dryness fraction comes out to be 52%, 0.52. Now similarly for specific entropy also, this equation is valid. H2 is equal to SF, this is SF, X2 Sg minus SF. So solving this, we get specific entropy to be 4.4462 kJ per kg Kelvin. So similarly, specific volume at final state can also be calculated. V2 is equal to Vf plus X2 Vg minus Vf. Solving this, we get 0.6038 meter cube kg per kg. Similarly, U2 can also be calculated. U2 is equal to Uf plus X2 Ug minus Uf. Putting all these values inside, we get U2 is equal to 1534.88 kJ per kg. So all the data at final states are calculated. Now let's do the part 1. So we have to calculate minimum work. Alright, so minimum work, let's do exergy balance. Exergy balance is simple. For minimum work output, we know exergy destroyed is 0, so exergy input minus exergy output must be equal to change in exergy of the system. So here there is no exergy output because we have to calculate minimum work, so exergy output is 0, and exergy destroyed is also 0 because this is considering the reversible case. So exergy in would be minimum work, and x2 minus x1 would be change in exergy would be m u2 minus u1 plus p0 v2 minus v1 minus t0 s2 minus s1. Okay, putting all these values in, so W minimum would comes out to be 437.7 kilojoule per kg. So minimum work input would be this one. Now we have to calculate what exergy destroyed. So let's do the entropy balance. S entropy input, entropy minus entropy output plus entropy generation must be equal to change in entropy of the system. So from here there is no input and there is no output because it's a closed system and there is and it is insulated, so no heat input or mass output there, mass input or mass output there, and work does not create any kind of exergy, any kind of entropy. So S generation directly equals to, putting the values here, we get 3.0125 kJ per kg Kelvin. So equation for exergy destroyed is equal to m T0 S generation. T0 is ambient temperature, mass we know, ambient temperature we know, this we know. We get exergy destroyed to be 1705 kilojoule. Now this value can also be calculated by doing exergy balance also, but here this time we have to calculate all the work which is happening, and exergy destroyed also. So W is work input, and WB minus P0 M V2 minus V1 is the work out due to the boundary, due to the movement of piston. WB is boundary work, which is P1 M1 V2 minus V1, and this is the work against surrounding. So surrounding is at temperature P0, so the piston has to work against the surrounding, so this is subtracted. So this is a useful work which we get by the movement of piston. So this whole is a useful work. Minus x destroyed is equal to x2 minus x1. So this values, putting all these values here and rearranging them. Now x2 minus x1 we have calculated. This is equal to the x2 minus x1, right? W minimum is, so we know 437 and we know all these values. 22 is this, so x destroyed comes out to be same 1705 kilojoule.